In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your iPad 11A16 is stuck on boot loop. Now as you can see, currently this issue is fixed on our iPad. But if you're facing the boot loop issue on your iPad, then the first thing you should do is just grab your iPad, then just remove any case which you might have applied on the back of your iPad, then just perform a forced restart. Now to do that, just press and release the volume up and the volume down button. Then just quickly press and hold the side button of your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now once the force restart is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if you have done that and if your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just grab your iPad, then just press the volume buttons and the side button of your iPad a couple of times because dust or debris might get in there and the buttons of your iPad will get stuck. So just press the buttons of your iPad a couple of times and make sure that they're not stuck. Now after you've done that, now just grab the charger of your iPad and check the charging cable of your iPad and make sure that it is not damaged. Also check the charging adapter and make sure that both of them are working. Also make sure to use the official Apple charger with your iPad because if you use a third-party charger or charger which is not supported by Apple, this can damage your iPad. Now after you've made sure that your charger is working, now just plug in your iPad into charge. Now after you plug in your iPad into charge, now just leave your iPad for 30 to 40 minutes and after that just perform a forced restart again and hopefully this will fix your issue. But if you have done that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.